Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows, and today's video is a what's new at Dollar Tree for the month of August. I am Keisha for those of you who are new here, and I love sharing affordable finds in beauty, fashion, and home. Make sure you subscribe so you can be a part of the Frugal fam, and also make sure you thumbs up the video, and of course comment because I love to hear from you guys, and I may share your comment on a future video. Do you guys see this little curl up here? I was gonna pick it out a little bit, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna let it be. I'm gonna let it do its thing at the top of my head. So of course, this is now August, so fall is on its way, even though it doesn't always feel like it when it comes to the weather. Fall is on its way. So there is a lot of fall decor now rolling onto the shelves, fall and Halloween, because yeah, Dollar Tree waits for no one. But yeah, lots of fall. I really enjoy it when I see the ceramic pumpkins on the shelves. Dollar Tree is really good at providing these. They're all pretty much the same size, give or take a few, but I love that they have a lot of different colors. They have a lot of different textures. I don't know how new these are for sure, but they have these mesh light up pumpkins. I'm not sure if these were on the shelves last year or not, but I noticed them this year. They come in a couple of different colors, but yeah, they light up, so I think that's really neat. Also, there are yard stakes, front door signs, and also floral arrangements. So if you are ready to make a wreath of some sort for the fall, Dollar Tree has you covered with that. I'm thinking of making a wreath. I kind of have an idea, but I'm not 100% sold on it yet. If you guys think I should make a wreath this year, go ahead and comment and tell me, yes, girl, go ahead and do it. And share that video with you guys, of course. Also, like I said, Halloween has made its way onto the shelves slowly at Dollar Tree. Of course, over the weeks, it'll get there more and more. Honey, Dollar Tree does not play when it comes to holiday decor. So I do want to mention these decor figurines that I found. They have a pumpkin, a ghost, and skulls. These light up and do make a sound. So I thought that was really nice for $1.25. They do have a pack of 4-count LED hanging candles. So if you are thinking of doing that whole Harry Potter candles hanging from the ceiling effect, I'm sure you've seen on social media, you've seen it on Pinterest. This is a good opportunity for you to do that. Like I said, it is a 4-count pack, $5 though. You may need to get multiple, of course, to really give that effect. You can DIY and do this on your own, but this comes with the lights, this comes with the string. You pretty much have everything that you need. Outside of the plus section, they do have some tapered bleeding candles. So I guess once you light these and they get to burning and melting, it starts to look red possibly, to kind of give that bloody effect, bleeding candles. I don't know. I think so. They have the ones with the swirl design on them. They also have the plain tapered, and the plain tapered came in this dusty pink color and a black color. So I think the black would be really cool, kind of ghoulish a little bit if you're into that. But I also like the pink ones. I think those are really cute. Stepping back into the plus section, they also have these cauldrons. They have one with the green bubbles, and they also have one with purple bubbles. So these are $7. They're just drinking cauldrons for if you're having a party or something like that. You could use these cauldrons to put like a flower arrangement in or some other type of spooky decor. I think these would be cool for that and lots of fun. Okay, stepping away from fall and Halloween, I want to mention these odor neutralizing sprays that I found. They had a big variety of scents in these sprays. They had crimson citrus, velvet peach, mint clove, redwood pine, cactus blossom, and desert oasis. I did smell desert oasis. It was nice. It was kind of a musky scent, but it kind of had like a citrus in there as well. These scents are also available in candles and adjustable plug-ins or adjustable room scents. Also from the brand Scrub Buddies, which is a staple in Dollar Tree, is this microfiber dusting mitt. And the only size I found was large, so I'm assuming this might come in other sizes, but for it to say large on it, I'm assuming that it's not a one-size-fits-all type of mitt. Also in the pet section, I found this dental cleaning kit from Arm & Hammer for your dogs. It comes with a toothbrush and toothpaste. So my heart goes out to all of the pet moms and dads out there who are battling their dogs to brush their teeth. Some dogs do really well with getting their teeth brushed. Mine, he just wants to eat the toothpaste. But this is supposed to be good for tartar and freshening breath. And I want to mention the fake nails. Now this isn't really anything new, but they're constantly adding new designs to what they have on the shelves at Dollar Tree. So I do want to mention this, like they have really improved on their fake nails. They of course have press-ons, they have glue-ons, they even have the little glue dots that you can put on your fingers, so you don't have to use the push-out regular type of glue or the squeeze-out glue or whatever. They have the little dots you can put on and then pop your little fake nail on. So yeah, they're always, every time I go in Dollar Tree, there's a new design. So I just wanted to mention that really quickly. There are more DIY decor essentials, which I think are great for the fall season if you are ready to decorate, if you are a DIY girly. They have a lot more to offer when it comes to their decor items. So like I said, I am thinking about making a wreath for fall. Not 100% sold on the design yet, but I am thinking of doing that. So they do have options for you. Also in the DIY section, I came across this glue gun from AdTech. Now this same glue gun was at Walmart. I literally had just come from Walmart, saw this glue gun, and then when I got to Dollar Tree, there it was. Now I don't believe that this glue gun is $1.25. So this is one of those kind of sneaky items that is probably a plus section item that they have put elsewhere in the store. So you do want to be careful. I don't know for certain if this is a $1.25 item, so don't be holding me to it, guys, and saying, well, Keisha said it was $1.25. I don't know. I doubt that it is. But yeah, this is a glue gun from AdTech. Same glue gun you can find at Walmart. I've never used this brand, so I don't know how well it works, but this is just a simple, basic glue gun for your DIY activities. And I want to mention this paint edger. So this is not the first paint edger that I have found at Dollar Tree, but it does look like either it's new or it's repackaged, like they switched up the packaging. Paint edgers are great for whenever you're painting at home, especially around tight corners. It just helps you to get in there and get a straight line and not make a mess. Now you can find these at other stores, but they will not be $1.25. So to find this at Dollar Tree, I think is great. And I found this car vent cell phone holder. Now this is not the first car vent cell phone holder that Dollar Tree has, but this is relatively new because it is adjustable. So you can adjust the height of the actual phone. So you put it in your car vent and you turn the knob and it can go, push your phone upward, or you can leave it where it is, whatever. In the beauty section, the travel section of the beauty section, from the brand Monday, I found this travel size shampoo. I have not used this shampoo. I don't know how well it works, but I think that it looks really nice. Really look fancy, kind of nice, So this is wonderful for, of course, travel. And from the brand Be Pure, which is a staple on the shelves at Dollar Tree, are these revitalizing serums. Now this is a 1 ounce bottle and it comes in either pomegranate, strawberry, or avocado. So this is just a serum for your face, maybe after you're done with your cleansing, right before you do your moisturizing, just to kind of revitalize the skin and make you look good and young and youthful and all that good stuff. So that's all I have, you guys. That is my what's new at Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, make sure you comment, especially if you have tried any of these items. And also make sure you thumbs up the video. I will talk to you next time. Bye.